Tell me if it's true, what rumors voices spread. Sordel that you take from others in your stead. Joan, the joy that love brings to my soul's own bread. From another man's wife I do not seek nor wed. Sordel, poverty conducts you, it is said. So men say, in jungler's company. Joan, of all the things no jungler am I made. Savor speaking well of my own Amia. Since you're no jungler, how did you come to take Sordel? Last year, cloth from the Marquis's sake. Joan, I took it not for my own self to slake, but to equip more junglers for art's own ache. Sordel,
Such a jungler would you make and wake?
who I know.
Follows you both night and day.
Joan, through love I'm courtly for love's own sake, and woo and would fight in love's array. Sordel, nothing do I see you give or bestow, but I see you beg and pray wherever you go. Joan, a most tiresome jungler, you should know.
I have in you.
From you, I can't hide it so. Sordel,
You're begging the people, blame it low.
much do they blame it in Lombardy.
Joan, I cannot accuse you yet of that woe.
Of deceit or of felony. Sordel, you answer with most gentle art, in the manner of a jungler learning his part. Joan, I answer with grace if one impart understanding and hears me with gentle heart.
I find a wife too slow to start, and I know not
For what reason it may be,
Joan, for she in whom I set my loving heart loves me, and wants no company but me.